Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can clear the cache and data of your Microsoft Edge browser, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So like any other browser, clearing the cache and data of the Microsoft Edge or any other browser as what I've said, this will help your browser to fix any logging issues, slow down loading, or any other issues. This is just a simple way, but this will create a great impact for any browser that you are using. So let's go ahead into the process. Search for Edge in the Windows search bar. Microsoft Edge will appear under the best match. Go ahead and click that. Now you need to locate the three dots. You can find that in the top right corner. Scroll down and look for the one with the gear-like symbol, which is Settings. On the left pane, you have this Privacy Search and Services that's under Profiles. Go ahead and click Privacy Search and Services. Now here under delete browsing data, you have this clear browsing data now. This includes history, passwords, cookies, and more. Only data from this profile will be deleted. Click on choose what to clear. So time range, you have options like last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. Use all time. Now you have to check browsing data, check, download history, check, cookies and other site data, check, cached images and files, check. Passwords, do not check that. Autofill form data, do not check that. Site permissions, check. All data from previous version of Microsoft Edge, check. Media Foundation data, check. And finally, click on Clear Now. So clearing the browsing data again of the browser like Microsoft Edge browser, this will help you fix any issues or logging issues, slow downloading issues of the Microsoft Edge browser. So once you're done, you just have to simply close this window and then you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.